Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo right here. Speed limits lowered on I-93 in Windham. Let's take a look at this video from WMUR News 9, Ray Brewer.
We're back celebrating the holidays.
And our new Volvo showrooms in Nashua, Concord, and Meredith.
Right now at Lovering Volvo, your first payment is on us, in addition to saving up to $14,000 off select 2019 models.
Call or visit us today.
And hopefully you're lucky enough to stay home today. And while you do, crews are working hard across the state to clear the roads for the morning commute.
WMUR's Ray Brewer is live along 93 there in Windham. Ray, the snow continues to come down out there.
Sean, we're in one of those bands that Kevin talked about. Has a heavy snowfall. Also, the wind's picking up as well, so motorists are going to have to deal with some blowing and drifting. So, as you take a look at 93 southbound here in Windham, the speeds have been dropped on 93 to 45 miles per hour south of Concord. Some other interstates as well have also had their speeds dropped. Now, you can see the traffic is moving, but it's moving very slowly. And bear in mind, too, that New Hampshire DOT does do that tandem plowing. And what that means is the fact that those plows are going to be blocking the whole road, and they travel at about 20 miles per hour. So you're going to have to factor that in for your morning commute as well, especially if you get stuck behind one of those. The best advice we can give you, if you can delay your morning travel, do it. Reporting live in Windham, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.
Yeah, that's possible. Do that. We are expecting...
Okay, and there you go. So, if you can delay your morning travel, everyone, do it. Let's take a look at your travel update as of 6 o'clock a.m. from the New Hampshire DOT. Road conditions are weather dependent and subject to change at any time. Travel conditions are in District 1, fair, District 2, fair, District 3, fair, District 4, fair, District 5, difficult. I-93 and I-293 from Concord south reduced to 45 miles per hour. In District 6 is fair. You are strongly encouraged, as in very, to watch your speed in all districts. Please clean off your car and make sure it is winter ready. Remember about Jessica's Law. Be mindful of your speed and distance to other cars. Don't crowd the plow, and safest place to be in a winter storm is home. The next safest is behind a snowplow, so get behind NHDOT. Be careful out there, everyone. Roads from Rockingham Alert. Here is what they posted 15 minutes ago. Roads are in rough shape this morning. Main routes are clear but remain snow covered. Secondary roadways are very slippery with some not even plowed as of yet. The heavy snow has sustained at this time. Over the past few hours, we have been seeing accumulating of 1 per hour. Please allow additional time to reach your destination this morning. And use extreme caution as well. And here's a look at your traffic map right now, and here is what it looks like in New Hampshire on all the roadways. Slow going, as you can see. Lots of traffic issues and things all throughout New Hampshire. So if you don't need to go anywhere, just stay home until the snow is all done. Or best bet is go slow. If you do need to go out there, just go slow. If you need to go anywhere, but if you don't need to go anywhere, stay home. And for flights and arrivals at Manchester-Boston Regional Airport, here's a look at the situation. Here's a look at the arrivals, and everything is running on time. So that is good news there for everybody. And for any departures, a couple of delayed and canceled flights, and some on-time flights. So a little mix for the departure board this morning. And there are 521 closings and delays this morning. Lots of schools are switching to closing instead of having a delay. So be sure to check that list again. If your school was on a delay, it might have switched to closing. And that is it for my winter storm report right here on the Riley King Network. Have a great morning, everyone, and be safe out there. See you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.